Hi everyone, today we are going to see how to open Notepad in Windows 10 in 3 different ways. The first method is click on search button in the taskbar and type Notepad and click enter. The Notepad file opens here. Now let's see the method 2. Click on search bar, type run. Enter Notepad and click enter. The Notepad file opens here. Now let's see the third and the last method to open the Notepad file using command prompt. Open command prompt. Type Notepad and click enter. You can see the Notepad open. If you like this video, click on the like button, comment your input, share it to your friends and subscribe for this channel for more videos. Thank you.